Pressure washers come in all types and sizes. However, the most powerful pressure washers operate in the 3 to 4000 PSI range, and 3200 PSI is a popular option. In this video, we've listed down the top 3 best 3200 PSI pressure washers and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website columbiaflorist.net. Number 3. TACLIFE 3200 PSI Gas Pressure Washer. A best-selling and popular 3200 PSI option in gas-powered pressure washers is the TACLIFE 3200 PSI. It has an efficient 4-stroke 173cc 0HV engine that pumps 2.4 gallons per minute. The unit comes with 5 different adjustable nozzles, a 25-inch hose, and an onboard 0.8-gallon capacity detergent tank. It is praised in reviews for being easy to start, efficient, and very competitive on price. TACLIFE also makes a 3300 PSI washer. Number 2. Simpson Cleaning MSH 3125 Megashot. Another good choice is the Simpson MSH 3125 with 3200 PSI of cleaning power right in your hands. This is a powerful, heavy-duty, gasoline-powered pressure washer that meets your most demanding needs. It comes with an abrasion-resistant hose, 5 nozzle tips, different safety features, and a 2-year warranty. User reviews praise Simpson for high build quality, its versatility, and great cleaning power. Simpson also makes a slightly smaller 3100 MS6076-3 Megashot version. Number 1. Westinghouse WPX 3200. First up is the gas-powered Westinghouse WPX 3200, a deep-cleaning water pressure washer perfect for anything: garages, cars, boats, walls, decks, fences, railings, sidewalks, and more. It has a large half-gallon soap tank and comes with a long 25-inch abrasion-resistant hose, a lightweight gun, and 5 nozzles. It is a very popular power washer, praised in reviews for being easy to use and filled with plenty of power. It also comes in a 2700 PSI version. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.